For avid K-drama fans out there, I'm sure you have watched or at least heard of the drama Mr. Queen or Queen Chorin, which has just finished airing last month in Korea. I really liked the drama for the comedy and the actors' acting skills. If you haven't watched the drama, this is a mini spoiler warning. In episode 12, the Queen, who is a chef from the future, helps the king in coming up with delicious vegan dishes for a ceremony as the king's enemies sabotage the meat supply. The highlight was this scene, which the king presented the crowd with McDonalddu, the queen's Joseon version of McDonald's. I was really intrigued by this, and I decided to make my own version of McDonaldu. I find this scene pretty hilarious and creative, by the way. So this is practically all you need for this recipe, nothing too fancy. I first made the vegetable stew, which will be placed in the tomato bowl. I made sundubu jjigae, which means tofu stew. I just threw in gochujang, kimchi, sesame oil, vegetable stock, and then add 2.5 cups of water and stir for the gochujang and the stock cube to dissolve. Once the water is slightly boiling, I add enoki, the soft tofu, and season it to your liking. I top it off with a generous amount of coriander leaves because that's my favorite. And you definitely don't need to make so much stew just for a little amount in the tomato, but I made them for other meals. For the tomato bowl, I sliced open the top of the tomato, and with a knife and a spoon, I scoop out the contents of the tomato and I added it in my stew just so that there's more flavor and not to waste the tomatoes. Now for the McDonald's burger, I am not sure what the drama used for the bun. At first I thought it's a rice patty, but after rewatching the scene, I don't think they ever mentioned what it's made of. So I decided to use the leaf bun I had left from the previous video as the burger bun. So reheat the bun in the microwave, and a pro tip is to include a bowl of water in the microwave so the bun comes out soft and fluffy. The grocery stores near my house ran out of vegan patty and I was too lazy to make them from scratch, so I found an alternative, this mushroom ball, which I will slice and somehow make mini patties with. So I'm pan frying the mushroom balls and I fried an egg. Technically it's no longer vegan with an egg, but you can always opt the eggs out. Now that everything is done, we just need to scoop the soup into the tomato bowl. Now it's time to assemble. Put the mushroom balls on the bun and the egg. I used the samyang carbonara sauce, which I already have, and again you can always use other types of sauces that you like. And then I top it off with more coriander because I ran out of lettuce or any other vegetables, but you can use any vegetables for the burger. And there you have it, Joseon's vegetarian burger. It is very quick to make. I would say the only time consuming was probably waiting for the stew to boil, but other than that, it's pretty simple and straightforward. It tastes pretty good, if I can say so myself. I think I nailed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me recreating the dish from the Korean drama. Let me know if you've watched the drama and what's your favorite scene. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!